Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove textures in Roblox, and this is actually very simple, but you need to follow the steps carefully. First up, search for Roblox player, and then you want to click on open file location. Right click on the Roblox player and click on open file location one more time. Now under this folder, what you need to do is click on view and then show and then file name extensions. Turn that on. You want to right click on any empty space, click on new folder. Now be very careful because you want to name this folder client settings, but the C and S should be capital, just in this exact format, and then save it. Right click to open it, click on new again, this time text document. We're gonna save this again. You should copy this exactly. Client, app, settings, and this should be .json. If you get this error, it means you have done it correctly. So you're gonna click on yes. Double click on this notepad always. You want to paste this code that I'll put in the comment, save, and then this should be saved as a JSON file right over here. Now you can safely head over to Roblox, go on and check out your game, and the texture should be removed, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.